Good morning to you. No, let me stop playing with y'all. But hey, good morning. Today is Thursday. It's almost the weekend. And I really need to get my eyebrows done. I really need to get my nails done. Just a lot going on. But anyway, I'm in my favorite place in the world, which is my girls' room. Because it is time to switch over their clothes from winter to summer. And with that, it means time to clean up everything in their rooms. So basically what that looks like is everything that is a 4T on lavender side basically gets transferred to violet side because they're literally stepping stones, and violet is now a 4T, lavender is a 5T. Although I really think that violet's going to be a 5T next year. Pray for me because yeah, it's going to be a lot of shopping and a lot of like new wardrobes constantly, but that's okay. We like shopping. But yeah, so what I am going to accomplish today is basically switch over clothes from winter to summer because we live in South Carolina and next week it's going to be in the 90s, which literally starts summer weather for us here in the Carolinas. It's just going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot. I just know it's going to be a lot because it's just going to be a lot. But it's okay. It's okay. So I don't know whether to start with their current clothes and then bring in the summer clothes. Maybe I'll do that. I'll start with their current clothes. Take out everything, put that to the side, bring in the summer clothes and do it that way, because other than that, I don't see it working any other way. Okay, let me think about this. Had to take a break. Homeboy was sleepy. A little bit of progress. Daddy's home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom, come on, I'll show you.
Go ahead. I know what Daddy look like.
Mom, come
Go ahead.
on.
I cannot have your brother.
Come on, please.
Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go. This is all going to Salvation Army. I have made that progress. I took the clothes from 2 summers ago and just compiled them into this. Shoes, clothes, everything from 2T to 3T. It's some 4T stuff in there, but that's okay. Narrowed it down to stuff that's going to be hung up. A couple of their summer clothes that I took out that they can actually fit. And then I've already put some clothes in there and in there. So I cleared out the closet. We got all of the shoes out of the way and put into their rightful shoe rack. They still have a ton of shoes downstairs in the mudroom, but this gives me progress so I can put the summer clothes up, and then after I do that, I can tidy up this room and be done with their room and then move on to Lennox's room. Okay, so we got everything hung up. Their closet is huge, so this is something that is definitely going to be in our new house when we move, like a super requirement, because either they're going to share rooms or they'll have like a connecting room through a Jack and Jill bathroom, and that'll need to be done. But until then, I have Lavender's sneakers and then Violet sneakers and sandals. Again, everything that was Lavender's last year has rolled over into Violet. I got their little boots up there. I got some keepsakes, their backpacks, and then, like I said before, summer stuff. I don't know why it's like, because they're girls, even if it's like a short set or something like this, like I know Violet will fit this, but it'll just be like a little bit shorter than how it would fit on Lavender. And that's okay because they're girls, so having a little short it's okay. But again, everything that was Lavender's last year, literally these dresses, everything has moved over to Violet size, so that's why Violet has like that portion of clothes, and then Lavender has that portion of clothes, because homegirl is a 5T, but she hasn't grown much since the summer, so we have to add to her wardrobe because her sister has taken everything of what she was wearing in the beginning of the year. So that is that, but I am so excited. I got this done. I'm going to get a bag to put all of this stuff in. Hold on, let me turn this down. See what's behind it. It is low and bare. Okay, so I gotta get a bag, put all this stuff in, and take it over to the Goodwill. Get a bag, put that in. And I have a box somewhere. I think it's in Lennox's closet. I keep all their hangers because you just never know when you need a little person's hanger. This all goes in Lennox's room. This all goes in the drawers. That's Lennox's, but this is gonna go in their drawers. I'm washing their linens right now, and then in a little bit, this room will be clean. This is literally gonna take me to the end of the night, probably.